Hi children, Assalamualaikum. This is Teacher Hairul. How are you? I hope everyone doing well. Okay children, this week theme is about nature. When we talk about nature, we always imagine the green forest, the blue sea, the mountain, right? You know children, our world now is sick. Why? Because of us. We, human being, manusia, we do the damage. How we did that? By polluting, by littering all the sampah everywhere. And we don't even care what's going to happen when we do all that. Kita potong semua pokok dekat hutan untuk kemajuan atas nama pembangunan. Nanti kalau kita dah tak ada pokok, macam mana kita nak bernafas? Sebab kita dapat udara, kita dapat oxygen from the tree, right? If there is no tree, how can we breathe? So kita kena jaga. From now on, kita kena jaga environment kita. When we like to litter, bila kita nak buang sampah, kita jangan buang sampah merata-rata. Kita kena kumpul, kita kena recycle. Kita kena letak di tempat yang sepatutnya. Kita tak boleh buang dalam longkang, kita buang dalam laut, dalam parit, dekat sungai, suka-suka hati. We cannot do that, right? Okay? Akhir kata, bye. Assalamualaikum.